how to import MKV files into Sony Vegas. You clicked on this video because you record some footage on OBS or another software and you save it as an MKV file instead of an MP4. But don't worry, I know how to fix that problem. So let's dive right into the video. I have a very simple solution for this problem. If you see that you can't import the MKV file but can import the MP4 file, here's the fix. Go to the options section above, then go to the preferences and then to the file IO section. Now we need to enable the last option, which is enable MKV reader. After that, the only thing you need to do is apply the changes and then restart your Vegas software. And here we go. Now you have fixed the MKV file problem in Sony Vegas. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.